Welcome to your first step in learning AI 3.0. My name is Aman and I am a data scientist. I bring to you the very fresh course on Agentic AI for beginners. What this course covers, what is the structure and what is the offer for you, we will talk through in this video. So, since the time 2025 has started, everybody was talking about Agentic AI. How Agentic AI is the word for this year and years to come. What all we can do using Agentic AI, it is must to learn Agentic AI. So, all these things people are talking about. But the thing is, where to start from? What are the various platforms which we can use to build agents? How to build and deploy agents in cloud? In this course, I have kept in mind that you are starting from scratch, you are a beginner, you don't know anything about Agentic AI, but you have a willingness to learn what is Agentic AI and you want to know how agents work. So, I have divided the course into 3 basic modules. The first module will give you an idea of what is Agentic AI, also known as AI 3.0 or the autonomous AI, and how it is different from traditional AI. We will spend some time and know about that. Then we are going to build agents, we are going to build multi-agent systems, and in this process we are going to learn many different tools and frameworks such as LangChain, PhiData, Microsoft AutoGen, LangFlow or other frameworks that is available to build Agentic AI applications. Once you have a good idea of what is agents, how multi-agent system works, how to build it using different platforms, right? Then what we are going to do is we are going to build agents in AWS Bedrock, that is cloud, and we are going to consume that agent. So, the end-to-end flow of building the agents in cloud, deploying it and consuming it. All these things will be covered in roughly 4 hours of content, and you are going to get lot of hands-on exercises, lot of hands-on things to do throughout this course. So, what you should do is you should go with the empty mind, with a willingness to learn, with a willingness to write lot of codes, and since it is generative AI, since it is related to prompting, so my code and my prompts might be one thing, but you should also try your prompts and little deviation on how these things will change when you change prompt, when you change temperature, when you change various parameters. Another thing I want to pay focus here is when you are going to do the course, please keep in mind all these tools whatever I spoke about, LangChain family or Microsoft family or any of these tools, right? They are in development, lot of things are getting changed every now and then, be it Amazon Bedrock or any other service. So, it is quite possible that some of the functions which I am using may not work when you do, or maybe it would have changed. So, that thing I am sure you can figure it out, don't worry about it much. Just keep in mind that the basic concept, the core concept, the fundamental thing remains same. Okay. So, what I can offer you? I can offer you as an Unfold Data Science subscriber, as an Unfold Data Science family member. Just go ahead and see the link. There is a link in the description of this video. For first 100 people, there is a massive discount. I am not going to disclose what is the discount. You go there, you do it yourself, you click the link, apply the coupon. In the link there is a coupon. If you don't get it, I will just give the coupon also. Apply the coupon, there is a massive discount for first 100 people. Just one request guys, I have created this course from bottom of my heart. So, please drop a review on Udemy about the course. Even if you are taking it Unfold Data Science, I have not uploaded, I will upload in Unfold Data Science as well. Both the places if you do the course, please drop a review about how you felt about this course and I will see you in the course. Please go ahead, take this, do the assignments, do the exercises and we will keep talking through the comments or through the reviews on the course. See you all in the course guys.